In this video, we're going to plan the track layout for a very small layout with a station for a short train, but with 2 tracks. In the smallest version, this consists of a tight circle in the middle with track 1 at the station and a second, slightly larger circle with track 2 at the station. With a switch here, the train running on the right-hand side enters the inner track, and after the station it returns from the inside to the right-hand track. You can plan the same thing on the other side. 1 track on the outside for stopping, 1 on the inside for halting, and again connected with multiple switches. The rear section, for example, could be hidden in a tunnel, creating what's known as a shadow station. This can be done, for instance, using the curved turnouts from an extension pack for the Märklin C-Track. That pack already includes 2 curved turnouts and curves. Here you can also find more track plans that can be easily built using the various Märklin extension packs. Even more track plans are available in the Märklin magazine or for download on the Märklin website. But you can also plan the track layout using software on your computer. It looks like this. This is the earlier sketch, now shown as a complete track plan for Märklin's C-Track. Here you can now also see the item numbers of the curved turnouts, 24671 and its counterpart 24672. We need a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of these turnouts. In addition, we also need several curved tracks with the tight radius 1. This is the track with the item number 24130 or the imprint 130 underneath the track. And we need radius 2, the outer circle. This can also be planned as an oval with a parallel track. You can simply insert as many straight tracks as you like here. However, the straight tracks must of course be the same length on all tracks, so at least 4 straight tracks of equal length in this layout. You can measure how much space the layout will need directly in the software and adjust the tracks accordingly within the software. For a track with curved turnouts, there are several typical track configurations. For a double track line, you need at least 2 curved turnouts. There are several options here, which can be clearly seen in the software. In all 3 variants, you end up with parallel tracks at the beginning and end, so you can continue planning from there. Have fun planning and building your model railway. We're happy to answer any questions in the comments below this video. And on Märklin's YouTube channel, you'll find many more tips for building your model railway.